Hi everyone, my name is Jacob Brion and I am presenting this new business proposal for Farmers Insurance. So during this presentation, what I will be doing is giving my reasons behind why I'm creating this proposal, and then I will kind of give an overview of what I intend to talk about and the main purpose, and then I will go over some key points of the proposal, and then I'll make some closing statements. So the main problem currently with Farmers Insurance is that we are well behind the industry leaders in total premium and market share. As you can see, State Farm is well ahead of every other company in terms of premium and market share, and we're all the way down in ninth behind smaller companies that you might not think of, like Chubb Limited Group. And so there has to be major changes for us to get back with some of those top companies. So how we're going to do that is by creating new insurance prospects to hopefully start quoting new business. So within the next year, I aim for Farmers Insurance agents to start partnering with local real estate agencies and car dealerships to get those type of prospects and referrals in order to hopefully gain new business. 1 to 3 years down the line, we will then, at our company level, gather data on the results of these partnerships between agents and local companies to hopefully, in the long term, find out what major company would be the best to create a partnership in order to have a mutually beneficial relationship where both of us can progress towards the top of our industries by gaining new business from each other. And that's what I aim to do long term in 5 or so years. But let's talk about short term. Short term, this is kind of the crucial part where our agents have to form these relationships with car dealerships and real estate agents. And some ways they can go about doing this is finding local companies that they might have an in with. Maybe they know the owner, or if they're kind of a new agent, they can try to get a foot in the door by introducing them. And they really need to hammer home that it's not a one-sided relationship. It's mutually beneficial. They will offer referrals for their current clients to go and purchase a car from their dealership, or maybe if one of their clients is buying a home, purchasing that from using that real estate office. And these relationships are crucial down the line, and we will use the referrals that we get back from the dealerships and real estate agencies to hopefully gain new policyholders in the short term. So midterm now, at our company level, we need to gather the information that our agents have given us, where they really what type of industry is it, home, is it auto, is most successful, and what companies they're having the most success with, what's giving them the most referrals, what's giving them the most prospects that eventually become policyholders, and in the long term maybe even refer other clients to us as well. So then once we get that information, we'll start looking around for some national firms that might fit the mold of companies that the agents have had success with. All right, in the long term, it's all about finding a good company to partner with. So we'll use that data that we've gotten from our Farmers Insurance agents and find companies that have a good fit with our organization and have that same dedication that we do to rise to the top of our respective industry. And this partnership will also be mutually beneficial. We'll try to have deals where we offer major discounts for some of our policyholders that maybe go and purchase a car from a company like Hendrick Motorsports. They have dealerships all around the United States. And then companies, or maybe Hendrick has somebody that's looking for insurance, and they refer them always, every single time, to Farmers Insurance. So the importance of this proposal is very high because Farmers Insurance has really been struggling of late. We we have to be able to quote new business and get more clients on our side to even remain in the top 10 as an insurance company in the United States. According to NerdWallet, back in 2018, Farmers Insurance was even ranked 7th in total policy premium, and they have since dropped to 9th in the past 2 years. So this downward spiral will continue to change if we don't do anything. And that's why I think my proposal is as good as any to try and get back to the top. So in conclusion, the main important thing is to get our agents to do their part to get connected with local companies. We really have to stress that they are the key parts and the crucial people to get this whole thing started. If they don't have success, we might not have success, but it should be fairly easy to make relationships, and there's a ton of different local companies out there that they can get in contact with and develop relationships to gain referrals. And yeah, the key thing is to gain more referrals, more opportunities for new business. And Farmers as a whole has to make changes to right the ship in the insurance game, or we're going to get left behind. Here's some of the references for the pictures and graphs that I've used. Thank you for my time today, and I really hope you consider my proposal.